Hi everyone, welcome to Spice and Soul Diaries. Today I am sharing a super easy and delicious air fryer recipe, and it's air fryer chicken bites with veggies. These flavorful chicken bites along with colorful veggies are cooked with aromatic herbs and garlic and air fried to perfection. And friends, this recipe is a quick healthy meal that's perfect for busy days and tastes absolutely amazing. So let's get started with the recipe. And here in this bowl, I have taken 2 chicken breasts cut into medium bite-sized portions like this. Then I'm also going to include some baby potatoes that has been washed thoroughly, and I have cut them into halves like this with skin on. And now I'm going to marinate the chicken and potato pieces. Here goes a teaspoon of olive oil. Next goes some salt as per taste, as well as some black pepper. Then I'm adding here 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder, 1/4 teaspoon of smoked paprika, and finally half a teaspoon of mixed herbs. Now let's mix these seasonings so that it coats well with the chicken and potato pieces. And I'm going to let them rest for about 10-15 minutes. Next, here in this bowl I have taken some colorful veggies like beans, carrots, baby corns cut diagonally. You can of course include any other veggies of your choice. And I have kept these veggies in a separate bowl because I am going to add them in the air fryer slightly later, as they won't take much time to get cooked compared to the chicken and potato pieces. And I'm going to add the same seasonings to these veggies also, like olive oil, salt, black pepper, onion and garlic powder, mixed herbs, and smoked paprika. We'll mix the seasonings well until they are well combined with the veggies. Alright, this is done. We will keep this aside for a moment. So as you can see, I have lined the air fryer basket with perforated sheets so that the chicken pieces doesn't stick to the basket and the basket remains mess free. And into this we will add the chicken and potato pieces. We'll spread this evenly in the basket so that they don't stick to each other. And now time to pop them into the air fryer. For that I have already preheated my air fryer, and now I'm going to air fryer them at 180 degrees Celsius first for 8 minutes. After 8 minutes, the chicken and potato pieces are cooked halfway through. I'm going to flip the chicken pieces so that they are well browned from the other side as well. And now into this we will add the carrot, beans and baby corns. We'll spread the veggies on all the sides of the basket. And now again we need to cook them at 180 degrees Celsius for another 8 minutes. Let's check them now. They are almost cooked, but the chicken and potato pieces needs to be a little more tender so that it breaks easily. So I'm going to air fry them again for another 5 minutes, this time at 200 degrees Celsius. It's 5 minutes. So totally took about 21 minutes for the chicken breast pieces to cooked well. And now you can see the chicken bites are soft and tender and breaks easily. So I'm going to serve them hot right away. And here goes our healthy air fryer chicken bites with veggies. They are cooked perfectly and well browned from all the sides. So friends, I hope you'll try this quick, easy as well as healthy chicken bites with veggies in air fryer. That's so very amazing to taste, and you can enjoy them as an appetizer or as a side dish along with your favorite meal. Also would love to hear your feedbacks, and you can check out my other interesting air fryer recipes. We'll see you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and enjoy good food, good life.